The weather was playing ball, making it a good day for a ride. But this ride
would end at the cemetery.
Well, that's a bit dramatic. Let me explain.
26 years ago, my dad passed away, and since then he's been living with family in his ashes box, and for the last few years he's been living on my side of the bed. But I'm not getting any younger, so I wanted to find a final resting place for him. And his mum, my grandmother, is buried at Waihi cemetery. And so I want to look at having his ashes interred there. And so that's what this trip is about. Well, not this particular trip, this is just the 250 on the way to work, but after work I'll head home and pick up the 1250 and wifey cakes, and we'll head down to Waihi and stay at an Airbnb for tonight, and then tomorrow morning we'll go and check out the cemetery and see what options we've got.
We were hoping to stop at the Pink Pig Cafe for a toilet break, but it turned out the piggy himself was on a break. So we cursed the line of traffic passing by us and then jumped back on State Highway 2.
We just need a little more time. We just need a little more time.
A bit further down the road at Maramarua, we gassed up and sweated our asses off for a bit before continuing on.
Would you like to fill that?
Oh yes.
You can fill that here.
Okay, thank you.
Are you going to Coromandel?
No, we're just heading down to Waihi actually. Yeah. Cool, thank you very much. Alright, see ya.
We reached Pairoa just as a Christmas parade was about to start, but thankfully we made it through the main street before they got underway. We thought it must be our lucky day on the road and looked forward to a ride through the Karangahaki Gorge. Oh, how wrong we were. Curse you, traffic gods. Bless you, two-wheeled Suzuki. On we rolled. Unfortunately for those in cars, the traffic queue went on and on and on and on. Needless to say, we were glad to have that traffic jam behind us, and we got back to, oh come on, here we go again. We were finally free of it and able to relax and enjoy the scenery and twists and turns of the tarmac.
All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
As we entered Waihi, our accommodation wasn't too far. For this trip, we booked a room through Airbnb with a local that was within walking distance to the shops, so we could walk in to get some dinner later on. We're close to where we want to be, but need directions. Martin Road. And I think this is... Did you say this is Martin?
Yeah, it's just up there then.
Woo! Practically over the road. Okay. Have a look. We're out the where we're going first.
So make yourself at home.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. There's the key.
Oh. Thankfully we're pretty close to the shops, so we're gonna walk down to the main street and go grab some dinner. Find a beer somewhere. Oh yeah.
These statues portray this exhibition.
6.
We opted for takeaways so we could find a nice place to sit outdoors and landed with Waihi pizzas, which we took up to the Waihi gold mine, where we sat and chilled out in the shade and then checked out the old pump house and the gold mine itself. Bit of a difference to Main Street, Auckland on a Friday night. That's what you like when you get to the bottom of the hill, eh? Wife realises she left her sunglasses up there. She's so lovely. There she is, all relaxed at the bottom of the hill. I got it! In the morning we packed up, and after struggling with the lock for a bit, we said our goodbyes and headed off to the cemetery. Oh, we're out.
One of the rules.
Alright, well thank you very much. That was wonderful. You're a lovely host. We headed off through Waihi and on to the cemetery, which was only a few kilometres down the road.
Simple things didn't know I miss until they're gone, and you feel like this, and you feel like this. So hold me close.
We spent some time checking out placement options for ashes, located Nan's grave to get our heads around plaque placement, then saddled up to get back on the road to Auckland. From the cemetery we headed inland along Ford Road. At the end of Ford Road we turned onto Old Tauranga Road and headed north. Back on State Highway 2, we followed the Karangahaki Gorge, continuing north. Once again, we passed through Pairoa. We stopped in Ngatea and enjoyed a nice coffee at the Glory Company Cafe. We decided to leave State Highway 2 and head along Pipiroa Road, which would take us out to Miranda and Kaiawa, where we could enjoy some coastal views.
gas here actually.
We took the opportunity to gas up one last time at Kaiawa and then continued north, passing through Whakatiwai, Oreire Point and Kawakawa Bay before the road took us back inland. Eventually, our awesome scenic riding came to an end, and we were back on the motorway with thoughts already swirling of where our next ride would take us.